Alright, hey everybody. I'm looking at the Neumann KH80 DSP monitors today. I got two of these. I'll just unbox one though. So these are small powered monitors that can be used in your studio rig. It's a 4-inch speaker. And let's check it out. Alright, so opening up the box, we got a quick start guide on top. Now, these speakers have Dsp Power built in. Oh, there's the power cable. And little rubber feet protection. So these speakers have Dsp Power built in, and apparently there's an app that Neumann makes that you can download, and you plug this into your network, and the app helps adjust the speakers acoustically to fit your space better. Let's pull that out. Alright. Additionally, you have standard jacks in the back as well. But this is the white version. They sell them in black as well. So small, I think it's 7 pounds. So you got your power cable connection, power switch, Ethernet, then combo XLR and TRS. Combo XLR or TRS jack on the back, mounting right there, and then you have these various controls up top. The first one is auto standby. So there's local control on off, network control on off, then acoustical control. It says freestanding, small desk, medium desk, or large desk. You have your output level, and then input gain knob. So that's one of the speakers. Then I already opened up the second one. So this is them. I'm excited to try them out and hear how these little guys sound. I have a smaller desk setup, so this should be plenty. And they got good reviews. I've never, I think this is the first speaker Neumann's made. If they've made other ones, I'm unaware of that. So I'm excited to see how they take on the speaker, as well as use these DSP features too. So thanks for checking out the video. Once I do my desk tour coming up later, I will let you know what I think of them, how they sound. So thanks for watching. Oh, and please like, subscribe, comment below. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have.